So good morning class. Today welcome to this musical class, and we are going to talk about a keyboard and also the notes that are on the keyboard. Apart from that, we shall also know how to identify the sharps and flats on the keyboard. So basically what you need to know is that the keyboard always starts with note C. The first note on the keyboard is always note C when you're writing. So to identify, like the C major here, this one is the C major scale, and these are the notes on the keyboard. Remember, we said the C major doesn't have any key signature. That's a flat and a sharp. That's why you'll see it's just pure and a normal format. So let's look at this one. We said we start with C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. We can continue D, E like that, but the first note on the keyboard is a C. So to identify on the keyboard, we have the white keys and the black keys. The black keys holds two notes. The black keys holds two notes, and I'm going to show you how it holds either a flat or a sharp. So the next step that I'm going to show you, just follow. We are going to look at how to identify the sharp and the notes, the flats in the black key. So here is a format of the notes on the keyboard, now indicating the sharps and the flats. And we say the first note is C. You see now we are starting with C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So our interest is up to this point. The rest you can just continue counting progressively or also following the rhythmic pattern of your keyboard. So let's look at this one. We have the key, we start with C and D. When you look at C and D, between these keys, we have a black note. So where there is a black key, this one in between, we say this one is a tone. Then this one is also a tone, but where there is no black keys, it will be a semitone. That's why we say tone, tone, semitone. Then we have also 1, 2, 3, 3 tones, 1, 2, 3. So tone, 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 I love another semitone. Okay, so these ones, if we have the black keys in between the notes, that is one tone. How? Because when you move from this C to D, you'll have to go to black key, which is a half, then go back to D now, which is a half. A half plus a half, you get one. That is one tone. One tone is equivalent to one beat. Okay, look at this one now, how to identify the flats. So between these, in these black keys, we are going to have C and D, because it is being shared in between. And how do you identify D is going to be a flat or D is going to be, C is going to be a sharp? Sorry for that. So it's about moving progressively. When you move forward, you are adding or you're going high. So let me assume I'm walking from C to D. I will be going up, because that one is progressive. And when you go up, we say you are sharpening the voice. When the voice is up or the sound is high, you say the sound is sharp. So therefore from C to D, you are going up. But when you walk from D to C, you are going backwards. That one, the voice goes down. And therefore that is what we will say, C is going to be sharp. So therefore in this beat we have C sharp and D flat. Otherwise, you can also use this procedure where you just point the arrow here and you say this arrow is going up but forward. And you say from C to this black key, it is C sharp because the arrow is pointing up and it is moving also forward ways. Then this one, when you come and point the arrow like this from D to this black key, you see it is going up but going backwards, and therefore that's why we have D flat. Here we have D flat and C sharp. Same can be used to this one. From D going to the black key, you're moving forward, therefore it will be D sharp. Then E, you're moving backwards, it will be E flat. Here we don't have any black key, therefore we'll jump and go to the next one. This one, F forward, F sharp. Then G backwards, we have G flat. This one we have after F flat, let's go G. G will be G sharp. Then A, because it is going backwards, it becomes A flat. Now A and B, we have going forward A, that is A sharp. Then backwards B, B flat. we don't have any black key in between here. That's why we'll skip and go to the next one. So the next one here we have C, which will be C sharp and D flat. Here applies the same and the same like that. Right, so look at this one, learners. For example of this question, identify B, A flat and D sharp in there on the piano or keyboard. So what do? First of all, come and identify the black keys. We say the black keys have two notes, and these notes are flats and sharps. So let's look at C. C, when we move forward progressively up, you're going high. So C will be sharp, and that's when we have C sharp like that one. Then D, you're moving here, but behind. This one will be D flat. Let's go now to this D, up but forward, which is high, so it will be D sharp. And this one E will be E flat because it is going back. Then here we don't have, this is a semitone where we say tone, tone, semitone, tone, tone, tone. You can also have two semitones there as we had the description. So look at this one after skipping. F, we say F sharp. F will be sharp. G will be flat. Then G here, which is going forward and up, will be G sharp, which is going high. A will be coming back, that will be A flat. Then this A here, because it is going forward up, will be A sharp. Then this B, the final one, will be B flat. What was our question? Identify the area with A flat and D sharp. When we looked at our A flat, it is on this note. So this note here is F flat. F flat is somewhere here. F flat. This one is F flat. F flat. Then the other one was D sharp. D sharp, we got it somewhere here where we were going upwards. Therefore this note black key here is D sharp. Simple like that. You can also identify the rest. I hope now you understand how to get the flats and also the sharps on the keyboard. It is very, very easy. Just moving progressively and also backwards. When you look at that, C, I reinforce this one. We can look at this one. We said when you move backwards, that one is a flat. And when you move forward, but it is a high pitch, that one becomes a sharp. You get this? So if you have understood the lesson, comment something that you like me to talk about in music. And I believe this one is a grade 9 music subtract